What makes a great jaw crusher? Most buyers only look at price and capacity. But the machines that truly pay for themselves are the ones you never have to think about. They just keep crushing shift after shift. The answer starts on the workshop floor. A good jaw crusher is defined by its machining. Our eccentric shafts are precision bored on CNC equipment. Every bearing seat is laser-lined. Fit tolerances are measured in microns, not millimeters. Durability is engineered in, not added on. We use high manganese steel jaw plates that work harden under impact. A heavy reinforced welded frame absorbs the shock of the hardest, most abrasive feed. Day after day, shift after shift. Then there's output. A deep, symmetrical crushing chamber gives you a higher reduction ratio and a far more consistent product size. Material flows through faster, recirculation drops, and your tons per hour climb. And when something eventually wears, it's easy. A simple, open design means fewer wearing parts. Fast access, quick changeouts. So your line stays up and running. So that's what a good jaw crusher really is. Precise, durable, efficient, easy to maintain. If you want one on your site, talk to us today. Get a quote and full specifications. Link in the description.